Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Domains migration tools step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Domains website. Log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, locate the domain you wish to migrate. Click on the domain name to access its settings. In the left-hand menu, select the Registration tab. Scroll down to find the Domain Lock section. Ensure that the domain lock is turned off. This will allow your domain to be transferred without any issues. Next, locate the Authorization Code section. Click on the option to request your authorization code. Google will send the code to your registered email address. Check your inbox for the email with the authorization code. Copy the authorization code from the email. Now, head over to your new registrar's website. Begin the domain transfer process on the new registrar's platform. When prompted, paste the authorization code into the designated field. Follow the remaining instructions provided by your new registrar. Review the details of the transfer to ensure accuracy. Complete the process by confirming the transfer request. You will receive a confirmation email from your new registrar. Keep an eye on your inbox for any additional instructions. Wait for the transfer to be finalized, which may take a few days. Once completed, you will be notified of the successful transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.